Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. This video will be extremely short. I'll be teaching you guys how I normally transcribe my files automatically. So if you haven't already subscribed, guys, before we begin, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share. Alright, so in order to automatically transcribe your files, all you have to do is come to this website. It's one of the best that I've found so far. It's Otter.ai. So all we have to do is log in here because I already have an account. So I'll just go ahead and log in. Alright guys, so once you're logged in, what you want to do, guys, you want to go ahead and import your audio or video file by clicking import audio/video right here, browse files, and I have this video of Elon Musk right here, so I'll just go ahead and upload this video. And wait for it to upload, guys. Alright guys, so once it's finished uploading, what you want to do is go ahead and click done. As you can see, it's right here, and it will take a short time to process, guys. So once it's finished processing, we'll continue with the video, okay? Alright guys, so once the file is ready, go ahead and click on the file. And as you can see here, it has automatically transcribed everything for us. And if I hit play right now,
Max Chafkin is a technology and business journalist who has profiled Elon Musk several times.
Really, the most amazing thing about his childhood is his escape from South Africa.
and as you can see, guys, it also separates the speaker, so it automatically recognizes the speaker and puts each speaker in a different category, like speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker 3.
And saying that America is where great things are possible, more than any other country in the world. It's a little cliche, but it's true. America is the land of opportunity.
Right, so as you can see, guys, it has done a very good job. And if you want to edit anything, you can just click on the edit right here and go inside and change whatever you want to change, just like so. Okay, so remember guys, no automatic transcription tool is perfect, so you will have to edit a few texts, but as you can see here, as long as the audio is very clear, it will have or transcribe most of it accurately for you. Okay, so if this video helped you in any way, please remember to go ahead, like the video, subscribe, comment, and share. Okay, and we upload daily contents.